For centuries, science and religion have been treated as enemies. On one side, faith. On the other, evidence. But something surprising has begun to happen. As science advances, it is not answering all the questions. In fact, it is creating even greater mysteries. Today, you will discover why some physicists, philosophers, and scientists are looking at the universe and beginning to question everything we thought we knew. Let's start with the most basic point of all, the beginning of the universe. The Big Bang Theory states that everything, absolutely everything, originated from a single, infinitely small point about 13.8 billion years ago. But here's the problem. What existed before that? Even worse, why did this happen? Science can explain the how. But when it comes to the why, silence ensues. Now comes something even more intriguing. The universe seems finely tuned with absurd precision. If gravity were slightly different, stars wouldn't exist. If the nuclear force were a little weaker, nothing would form. This phenomenon is known as the fine-tuning of the universe. And here arises an inevitable question. Is all this the result of chance or some kind of intelligence? If you're finding this topic as fascinating as I am, leave a like now, because that helps the video reach more people and allows us to continue exploring these mysteries together. And comment below, do you think all of this is a coincidence? Or is there something behind it? Now let's move on to one of the greatest enigmas of all, consciousness. Science can map the brain, understand neurons, electrical impulses. But it still can't explain one simple thing. Why do you exist inside your own body? This mystery is linked to the so-called hard problem of consciousness. In other words, how does something physical generate a subjective experience? Some scientists are beginning to consider that perhaps consciousness is not just a product of the brain, but something more fundamental to the universe. Here's the most important point. Science is a powerful tool, but it has limits. It measures, tests, observes. But it can't answer questions like, what is the purpose of existence? And it is precisely at this point that science and philosophy, and even religion, begin to meet. What if the question was never science versus God, but rather, what is science really revealing about reality? Perhaps, just perhaps, So here's the final thought. What if the greatest scientific breakthrough isn't proving that God doesn't exist, but showing that the universe is far more mysterious than we imagined? And perhaps that mystery is precisely the starting point. If this video made you think differently, subscribe to the Science and Prosperity channel now. Because here, we don't shy away from the big questions. And in the next video, I'll show you something even more intriguing. How your brain might be shaping your reality without you realizing it. See you in the next video.